Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to schedule Google Meet in your Google Calendar, as well as adding Google Meet to your calendar. So there's two different ways on how you can do this. One way is just obviously through the homepage on meet.google.com. You can just click on New Meeting, and then you could schedule in Google Calendar. So you want to click on that. And then it's going to bring you to this page here where you could set up your meeting name. So you could put a title at the top. You could also adjust the time and date. And then you can add location, notification settings, so how long you want the notification to come in, as well as a description or any attachments that you need to add into this. And then the most important part, adding your guest here at the top right. So you can click on that or search for your guest that you want to add to this call. Once you're done setting everything up and you set your title, you can just click on save and it will add the notification to your calendar. Now, once you're on Google Calendar, what you want to do to set up meetings, you just want to click on a time slot that you want the meeting to be on, and just click on that, and you'll be able to set up a title here as well as date and time, and then the guests as well. Now, the difference with this when you do it from Google Calendar is you want to make sure you click on Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. If you do not click on that, it will not add this link to this, which is the most important part. So make sure you click on that. And then what this does is gives the person a link to join right here, or they can go ahead and copy the meeting link and then head back over to Google Meet and enter the code right here. Really simple to do. I hope I was able to help you guys out in clearing it up on how to schedule a Google Meet in your Google Calendar and vice versa. If this was helpful to you, just leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.